at the Hoarder house in Laguna Hills, not Laguna Niguel, Laguna Hills. And it's been about 2 weeks, about 6 of those big giant trash cans, another one to go. They've cleaned it out for the most part, and let's go in and take a look. This is a single story, but it's pretty large once you go in. Sunken living room. As you can see, they've taken all the popcorn off the ceilings, pretty much taken everything that was in here out. They're going to come back and do some more cleaning later on this afternoon. This wall, as you can see, was written on there, it's going to be demoed to open up this entire space. So there'll be a big header from that side of the wall to that side of the wall. Over here is a really, really dark bathroom downstairs. It's a little closet and a little bathroom down here with some 70s wallpaper. Take a look at the bathroom there. When you're flipping homes, you always want to look for stuff that you're going to end up saving. So we're going to save this chandelier because it just, it just makes it, okay? It just absolutely makes it. And I'm kidding. So let's go into what is the kitchen, which we could not get into before. So they're going to, they finished demoing this out, but they're going to demo the wall, and I'll turn around here. They're going to demo this wall out, and they're going to have cabinets down here, but you're going to be able to see the family room, which is on the other side. And plus that wall is going to be out. So it's really, really going to open up this space. And that's what people are looking for today is an open concept. Everything's out. They're still cleaning some stuff up. And doing a little bit more demo to finish this up. Watch your step. Family room. Again, that wall is going to be gone. This whole half wall is going to be gone. So you're going to be able to see into the kitchen. You're going to be able to see into the dining room and living room. As you come in the front door, you're going to be able to see this entire area to just give it a nice open concept. If you want to take a quick look outside, they're still working on the demo for the outside. It was to the point where you couldn't even walk back there. You can walk back there now, but it was really bad, very bad. We'll start here to the left. This is the primary bedroom. Got a slider to the outside, to the back. And then the primary bathroom, we've got a sink vanity over here, and then a hers over here. This is a little bit larger, and that's why it's a hers and that's a his. Then we have a walk-in closet here. And then we have a bathroom back here. And what they're going to do more than likely, because it does have more than one bathroom, they're going to make this, instead of a tub and a shower, they're probably going to extend the shower all the way out to this wall, which is the reason that these X's are here. This is going to be eliminated. There's going to be a small window up here, so you can open it up when you're taking a shower. They're probably going to put a shower there, probably another shower coming this way. Again, this window is going to be eliminated. And then there's a door that goes out to the backyard. I think they're going to end up keeping it. It's kind of strange that that door would go out there unless somebody was planning on, building a pool or something and you want access to the bathroom real quick. But we'll see. We'll see as the progress goes along. We'll bring you back and take a look. So we have 4 bedrooms in this home. And so bedroom number 2 is to my left. Got a window, a closet over there, pretty good size. And then bedroom 3 and bedroom 4. And then here's the other bathroom. And again, this is the bathroom where you want to keep the tub because this is a guest bathroom. And then if you have kids that are in those bedrooms, they need to have a shower and a bathtub here in case it's small kids. So you always want to keep a bathtub in a home like this, but not necessarily in the primary, because most people that adults that are living in a primary aren't necessarily going to take a bath unless you wanted to convert this to a house where it's going to be like 55 plus or whatever. And sometimes the women like to take baths, but most of the time, a shower is more desirable than a bath. And then we've got the laundry room here to the right, and then a 3-car garage out there where 2 weeks ago, I couldn't walk out into that garage. It was that bad. It was pretty much terrible. Couldn't walk out there. So they've done a really, really great job of fixing all this stuff and taking off all the bad stuff. And it's a work in progress, and they're working, I think, pretty quickly. And so we'll bring you back in probably 2 or 3 weeks, another 2 or 3 weeks, so you can take a look at the progress and see what's been going on. Until then, please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. If you like what you see, make some comments below, ask questions, give suggestions as to what we should do in these different areas. Again, we're removing all those walls there, but tell us if you would do the same. I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.